Hello guys, Best Review for You team is back again with another review on Coin Smash. Firstly we will look at the Coin Smash features, then the bonus that comes with this package, also about 30-day money back guarantee program, and the exclusive bonuses that I am going to offer you. Introducing Coin Smash, your unlimited free crypto commissions. Make unlimited free crypto commissions. Simple set and forget hack. No boundaries to mint more crypto. Totally newbie friendly. Step-by-step training and VIP support to ensure your success. Wait out when you grab Coin Smash now. You'll also be able to get these royalty bonuses if you buy today. Royalty bonus number 1. Blockchain Secrets Video Upgrade. The key to fully understanding blockchain technology and deciding if it is something that you should invest in is diving in and doing the research. Royalty bonus number 2. Blockchain Secret. Learn the blockchain basics and how the technology works. Discover the business of blockchain and what industries will benefit from using the technology. Royalty bonus number 3. Bitcoin Breakthrough. With this step-by-step guide, you will learn how to avoid scams in cryptocurrency, you will learn how to work the blockchain technology, you will be able to keep your bitcoins safe in the best wallets. Royalty bonus number 4. Albandino. This method allows you to make money and don't need your own product or any prior experience. Royalty bonus number 5. The Clones. A DFY system that teaches you everything you need to know to make money online. This method is completely brand new and suitable for all levels. Grab Coin Smash now and save over 90%. One-time price, 0 monthly fees. Click here to get started now. One-time secure payment, 30 days money back guarantee. Get results with Coin Smash, or get a refund. Coin Smash comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. I don't want anything to stop you from getting Coin Smash right now. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to make sure this is for you. If you take action and don't get results, all you have to do is let me know, and I'll get your refund. I'm only happy if you are happy. And the only way you can lose is by closing this page without getting Coin Smash right now at a big discount. It doesn't get more fair than that. Lastly, these are the bonuses that I have to offer you. These are worth more than $4,000 that I am giving you for free. The only condition is that you have to purchase the product through the link given below in the description, and after the purchase send an email with a screenshot of your purchase on our email, which you will find in description below. Have look at the bonuses. These are not the 1 or 2 bonuses or 3 simple bonus, but in total I am offering you 21 bonuses. This definitely will help you if you are a content creator or an affiliate marketer, or even if you run a digital marketing agency. So here is the review from the Best Review for You team. If you liked the video then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check the description below.